Hi, did you order a Lyft ride?
Yeah, I did.
Cool. What's your name?
What's your name?
I'm not telling you my name. What's your name? I'm not allowed to say my name because I need.
That is the creepiest thing. I'm a girl. Say your name.
No, I need to make sure that you're my rider.
Well, I need to make sure that you're my driver.
Well, the way you do that is you confirm the license plate on your app with my license plate.
I don't want to walk to the back. Just say your name.
I'm not telling you my name.
Creep?
No, I'm not telling you my name. What's your name?
I'm just gonna get in.
No, my door's locked. You're not getting in. You're literally not getting in without telling me your name.
I'll crawl through the window.
No, you're not. Are you serious? What's your name?
What's your name?
I'm not telling you my name. That's the thing. It's security.
What does it start with?
I'm not giving you a hint. It doesn't even matter.
Oh, it's on. Oh, your name's Dylan. Dylan. Hi,
Okay.
Dylan.
Oh, yes, my name's Dylan.
Yep.
Fine.
Now unlock your car.
Okay, well, what's your name? What's your name? I can.
Brittany, now let me in, creep.
Jeez, it doesn't have to be that hard. You know you can
If you're
see
a
my
mass murderer, I'm screwed.
You can see my license
Think I'm
plate.
gonna walk to the back?
Yeah, I have one in the front as well. You can see it while you walk
Okay,
in.
can you get going? Like, drive fast. That's what you're here for, is to transport me. And right now, you're not really doing your job, so.
I'm gonna
Unless you
follow
wanna
the
get
speed
fired?
limit. So.
Unless you want to get fired,
Fired?
Yeah.
What are you, my boss now?
I'll report you to Uber. Isn't Uber your boss?
You are not threatening me with a report right now.
Yeah. First of all, you're being creepy. Second of all,
You can totally tell them. You can't say I'm being creepy, but you can probably tell them that I asked for your name. That's
I can tell
fine.
whatever I want. It's a free country.
Yeah, but you can't lie. Well, you shouldn't at least. And please don't report me. I need this job.
What?
I have credit card debt. I'm trying to pay off my credit card.
I can't hear you.
I'm trying to pay off my credit card.
All right, save your personal issues for your pillow.
So I'm driving Lyft right now to pay off my credit card. So if you can please not lie and leave a false report, I would appreciate it.
I don't care why you're driving Uber.
Lyft. You ordered a Lyft.
Whatever. Lyft. I don't care.
Yeah, I do not drive for Uber. I drive for Lyft.
These chips taste like fish.
Fish? Well, that's not the only thing that tastes like fish.
What else tastes like fish? You got something to say?
What?
You got something to say?
No, I'm just saying.
Or maybe the stench in here is making my chips smell like fish. Because someone in this car smells like fish.
Well,
Deodorant. Cologne.
me?
What? Sorry, I had a chip in my throat.
Okay, can you just chill out? Like, I'm gonna have to call up Uber and give you a 1 star, or Lyft, I mean.
Because
See,
you
now
smell
I'm messing up.
Because you smell like fish?
Okay,
I don't think Uber's-
can you please not eat in my car, actually?
I don't think Lyft is gonna fix the fish smell.
I'm sorry, I just started driving.
I think it's gonna be a shower.
I just started driving for Lyft, and I forgot, but I don't allow food in my car, so.
You know what?
Can you just put your bag away? I know you've been eating.
I can't hear you.
I don't have a food policy in my car. Can you put your food away, please?
You like food? You can have them.
No, I don't want food. I just ate.
I got some grape here.
No, please no fruit either. Those are messy. What are you doing?
Grape?
I'm driving. What are you doing? That's gross.
You got a grape in your ear. He ate it.
Well, what else am I gonna do with it? I don't want
No
to.
eating in the car.
You
Hypocrite.
shoved a grape in my ear. What am I using?
Hypocrite.
You were a handful. I honestly feel bad for whoever has to date you.
No one would date me?
Yeah.
Are you kidding on me?
Dealing
Are
with
you
you all
trying to ask me out?
No.
You were so trying to ask me out.
No, I'm not. I would never ask someone like you
I
out.
got more than one boyfriend, so I can't handle another one.
You probably have a sugar daddy as well. Knowing your type around here.
Unless you got a Louis Vuitton bag that you want to give to me, then we can start talking.
Are you seriously? So you are
And what?
a sugar baby?
Are you a daddy?
I mean, I'm not a daddy.
Because if you're a daddy, that's disgusting.
You literally just said if I have a Louis Vuitton bag, then you said yes.
And that makes you assume, because you're sexist, that I want a sugar daddy? That's disgusting.
You are difficult.
You are disgusting.
You are difficult.
I offer you a chip. I try and be friendly. I shove a grape in your ear. Like, what more do you want from me, sir? You're my Uber. You're my Lyft driver.
I'm gonna end this ride. I don't know. Because you're probably gonna report me, and I
Don't be silly.
I need to report you first, so. Alright, bro, that's not a spot to pull
Now,
over.
first you're trying to help me, now you're trying to report me. I said girls don't make any sense.
Here, I'm gonna drop you off at the biggest sugar daddy of all time at Dan Bilzerian's house.
Excuse me?
What?
You know what? Dallin, you don't know me.
My name's Dylan.
Whatever.
It's Dylan.
It's a girl's name.
Okay, let me just find a spot to pull over so I can let you
Your
out.
outfit does not match.
Your what?
Your outfit does not match.
My outfit doesn't match? My
I
white
need
shirt?
9 more car fresheners.
Okay, well, I can't afford more car fresheners. Those things are expensive.
You can afford to give me a Louis Vuitton bag?
No, I can't.
You are disgusting. Now I know where your morals and ethics are.
Okay, well, how I spend my money is how I spend my money. I'm trying to pay off my credit cards
Well,
right
do you
now.
have the Louis Vuitton bag with you?
No, I don't. Here,
So
I'm
when
gonna.
were you planning to give it to me?
Never. I'd never plan to give you a Louis Vuitton bag.
Then why did you say you were going to?
I didn't.
Mm-hmm.
I said I was. I don't know. Maybe I thought about it in some fantasy world, but no.
In some fantasy world?
Okay, get out.
That is disgusting.
Get out of my car.
Mm-mm.
Get out.
Finish my lunch.
You're not. This is not a lunch table. This is not like middle school. Get out.
Are you in middle school?
No, I said this is not a lunch table. This is my car. Like, I bought this car that you're sitting in.
21 to drive for Uber or Lyft.
Like, this whole car that you're in, this is like my property. So
You're trying to tell me you're in middle school.
I don't want you in my property.
You're in middle school? Are you 15?
No, and middle schoolers are not 15. That's high school.
Are you 14?
Can you get out, please?
Did you just turn 13?
Yeah, I'm 13 years old.
Are you gonna really cook me up?
Can you get out, please?
Where's my Louis Vuitton
And your
bag?
shirt's falling off, too.
Creep. Alright, fine, I'll get out. But will
Get
you
out.
give me $50?
You want $50? Here, I'll give you $1. I have like $5 on me.
I need 49 more than $1.
Here, there's $50. Just get out.
That's all you got?
Those are my tips for today.
Alright. Peace out, loser.
Loser? You forgot all your food in. She just left all her food in here. What the? You forgot all your food in here.
What? Me?
You left all your food in here.
I didn't. Here's your tip.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks for picking me up.
All right, guys.
These are actually really good. They don't taste like fish.
If you guys called it, this video was not real. This was fake. Kaylin is actually not a stranger.
Or a jerk.
Yeah, she's actually pretty nice.
Most of the time.
Sometimes.
Don't get on my bad side.
Yeah. But we wanted to make this skit video and tell you guys how to handle situations and when to kick people out of your car. Obviously, if you have an unruly passenger who's threatening you or you feel in danger or whatever, be smart about it. Kick people out of your car. If you know, you're an independent contractor as an Uber driver. You don't have to put up with people's BS. If you don't want someone eating spaghetti and mac and cheese in your car because you have white leather seats and they say, oh, well, I paid for this ride. You can say, well, you can pay for another person's ride and kick them out. You don't have to put up with people's BS. So I personally have never kicked somebody out, I don't think. No, I've never kicked somebody out.
You just did, Dylan.
No, in real driving. I don't think I really have. I have denied rides though. I've denied plenty of rides because I've gotten a lot of rides from underage passengers. Like, you have to be 18, and I've gotten so many rides from people who were like, actually, I got a ride from a kid who was in elementary school. His mom ordered the ride, and one time I had to drive up all the way up in the hills, and pick up at a house, and the mom was there, and she goes, "Oh yeah, you're taking my son to soccer practice," and I go, "No, I'm not." I'm not the
babysitter.
I'm not a babysitter, dude. Like, you have to be 18. Someone has to be at least 18. I've denied plenty of those rides, and I have denied another ride where somebody had too many people, and I was like, no, sorry, like, I'm not fitting in too many passengers in my car. But yeah, I don't know. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts too. Again, this is like pretty rare case, but
we hope.
What kind of advice do you have? Just like a mean passenger.
Probably just to like address them nicely.
Yeah.
Even though that'd be really hard. But you know, you never stop the fire with another fire. You gotta cool it. So
unfortunately, if you have someone who is like threatening or you think might like hurt you, you don't want to like yell at them and tell them to kick out. Like, you kind of gotta be like
nice about it. As nice as you can about kicking someone out.
You gotta read the room. But yeah, guys, anyways, let us know if you do like this new style of videos where we do the skit first and then give you advice at the end. I'm having a lot of fun with it. I don't know about Kaylin.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm having a blast.
And then I don't know about you guys. Obviously, we'll see your guys' reaction and ratings in the comment section. But do leave the video a thumbs up if you did like it. That way we know whether or not to keep making these videos or not. Thank you all for watching today's video. We will talk to you all soon. Have an amazing day. You guys are the best. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Get out there. Enjoy the sun. It's starting to warm up, so yeah. Well, at least in California. Maybe not in Chicago. All right, guys. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.
Goodbye.